5 yoga stretches for sitting in a chair. Cross your ankle over your thigh. Sit up tall, gently press your thigh down. Deepen your ear to your shoulder and give it a gentle press. Inhale, pull your heart forward, point your chin up. Exhale, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest. Cross one knee over the other. You can stay here or hands together, elbows together, and hook your right elbow underneath your left elbow. Gonna hold onto the chair, reach your left arm up and over, and look underneath your arm. Follow for more yogi stuff. 5 yoga postures to cool you down. Sit next to a wall, and as you lie on your back, extend your legs out. Look up to your toes and breathe. Lie on your belly, put your elbows underneath your shoulders, and pull your heart forward. So you lie on your back, drop your knees to one side, and look in the opposite direction. From tabletop, bring one knee forward, stretch the other leg back, and stay up or fold. Deep breath in, deep breath out. As you lie on your back, put one block underneath your upper back, the second block underneath your head, and rest. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Here's 5 upper back stretches. Interlace your hands behind your back. Bend your knees and hinge from your hips. Come all the way down. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Relax your head. Pull your heart forward between the gate of your arms. Look forward. Roll your shoulder blades away from your ears and breathe here. Your arms out. You can do a side stretch. Back to center. Side stretch. Come back up. And then look up. Lift your heart. And come back to center. Just rest your hands beside your hips and lift your hips up into a bridge. Look to the ceiling. Prop yourself up with a pillow. Lie on your back. Bring your feet together, knees wide, and relax your head. Follow for more yogi stuff. Here's some yoga postures to help with your back pain. Lie on your back. So roll to one side, lie down. And as you lie down, bend your knees. With your feet hip distance apart, just go side to side, right and left. You can rest your hands beside your hips. Let's do this a couple times to stretch out your low back. And then bring yourself back. Pick up one leg and cross your ankle over your thigh. So you have a square shape. Use your right hand. Press your right hand away from your face. If you can't reach your thigh, you can always have a book in your hand and push it away, or maybe even a yoga block. Spread your right toes, flex your right foot. Deep breath in, deep breath out. This gets into your sciatic nerve. Right? For a deeper stretch, you could always hug your legs in and spread your toes. Or, another option, take opposite hand and pull your knee in towards opposite shoulder. Breathe here. Here's part 2 of your yoga postures to help with your low back pain. So start lying on your back, roll to one side, and lie down. Bend your knees, hug your knees into your chest, and take a few stretches here. Deep breath in, deep breath out. You can always rock side to side, wake up your spine, and then drop your knees together over to your right side. Reach your right arm out and your left arm out, and look in the opposite direction of your knees. So breathe here. You can always give it a gentle press. And then switch sides, bring one knee up at a time, roll onto your back, take your knees to your left side, reach your right arm out, look to your right hand, breathe into this side, and try to wiggle your shoulder towards your mat or towards the floor. And this time we'll go side to side. So bring your knees up one at a time, bring your palms into the floor and look up. Drop your knees to the right, bring your knees up, and drop your knees to the left. Just go side to side. Bring your knees up, to one side, back up, and to the other. And move slowly with your breath. Last one, bring your arms down to your sides, bend your knees. Inhale, lift your hips. Exhale, gently lower down. And this strengthens your low back. Inhale, reach up.